Okay, here we're going to talk a little bit about how to understand long-term elasticity as well as the interaction with changes in demand. So our initial equilibrium is here, E1. It's the intersection between the demand curve D1 and the short-term supply. Now, suppose that there is an increase in demand from D1 to D2. So that means a rightward shift in the demand curve. Well, since we're still on the short run supply curve, this SSR, our new equilibrium will be E2, which corresponds to a $90 price per barrel and a quantity Q2. That is, we have a higher equilibrium price than the original $60 at E1 and a higher equilibrium quantity. However, now let's talk about the long run. We know in the long run, supply becomes more elastic, or that it tilts downward. It doesn't shift right. That would be an increase in supply. Instead, it tilts. In this case, after supply adjusts to the long-term supply, this SLR, we see that the new equilibrium is here, E3, the intersection between D2 and this long-run supply function, in which case E3 corresponds to an equilibrium price of $80 and an equilibrium quantity of Q3.